Hey guys, welcome.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, we have 17 sales heading out on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari this weekend, so we're super grateful and we want to show you what's sold. I'm going to give you an idea, perhaps, of what you might want to look for when you're sourcing for your own stores. So let's just get right to it.
Yes, I can't wait to see.
So first, we're going to do some eBay sales. Now, the first one is a puzzle. Now, puzzles haven't been selling very well after COVID. But if you have wooden pieces, you might just get some sales coming in. This sold very fast. Michelle, you found this and brought it home. I listed it right away. And it sold for $22 free shipping on eBay. Now, we're going to find that over here because we got all of our puzzles and games and all that kind of on these shelves here. And look right on top because we just listed it.
Yeah, literally, I think it sold in 24 hours.
It did.
Hi, guys.
Within 24 hours.
Yes, within 24 hours.
Yes. Now, we love the turnaround like that any day. So we have actually a few movies going out. Now, the first one is Mega Python versus Gatoroid. Now, this is kind of a different one. This was actually a movie by Debbie Gibson and Tiffany. If you remember those two in the 80s, they were like the feuding singers or whatever sort of thing. But they made a movie together, and I actually watched it, and it was actually pretty good. So.
I actually know Debbie Gibson, and
cool.
She's super nice. Just want to say.
Oh, cool. Well, thank you, Debbie Gibson, for being super nice, and for making this movie, because it was pretty good. And we sold it for $8 free shipping.
Awesome.
Yeah. So while we're at the movies, let's go ahead and pick the other two that sold. This is one of my favorite movies ever. Okay, this is called Strange Days, and this movie right here, so cool. It's just got a really weird feel to it. I believe it was on New Year's, which was like 2 days ago. So this is such a cool movie. This went for $13 free shipping used. So check out, keep an eye out for that one.
Wow.
Another one you might want to look out for is Miracle on 34th Street. Now, that's a classic. We all know, we've probably seen that before, and if not, they also made a remake, and this one is a double feature. It has both of those on here. Yes, they do, Elmer. Yeah. So we'll find those. Let's see. Miracle on 34th, excuse me.
Come on, Elmer. Give Mommy some kisses.
Yeah,
Come here.
oh.
Come on, give Mommy kisses.
Give Mommy kisses, too.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, thanks. Mommy kisses. Mommy kisses.
So we're going to pile this stuff over here. Let's check out a couple other things that sold. All right, so next going out on eBay, we have actually two lots of these. Now, Michelle, you found these, or we found these somewhere, Effordent Soap Crystals.
Yeah.
So, those just household things that people use once in a while. We're going to find those in bin A14, which is down here. I like to put all of the smaller stuff down there. And you'll see by our custom label SKU system, 1123. That is the month that we listed it. So November of last year, just a couple months ago. And the next set you'll see there is A14. Now that's the bin that's located. That's where we put it after we list it, so we know where to find it. And the next set of numbers is 150. That's what we paid for it. That's more of like an average cost of goods for us right now. So that's going to give you an idea. When something sells that it's only been sitting around for a few months, we paid this much for it, and we got that much for it. So is it something we would buy again? In this case, yeah. We got a good $10 profit really easy and really quickly with these.
And it's little, so it doesn't take up much space.
Absolutely.
And I have to say, that was one of the first things that I went out sourcing for that wasn't a piece of clothing. I was so excited to find something besides a sweater or a pair of pants. So, yeah, I was excited about learning something new.
Yeah, nice pickup on those, honey.
Thanks.
All right, next going out on eBay is something else that you had found. You're getting a really good eye for the sports stuff here. And this is a Nike Dry Fit On-Field New York Jets hoodie. This is a size XL, and it has like the military patches, the special stuff. So this is really cool because $31.99 plus shipping. Again, this was $12.23. Listed it like a month ago and did not take long to sell. So we're really happy about that. We're going to find that in bin P. That is right over here. Right on top. There we go. New York Jets. It's got the digi camo and everything. Really cool sweater.
So cool, yeah.
Yeah. And for $32, plus shipping, any day. Okay, another thing went out on eBay, but we're gonna find that upstairs in Michelle's inventory area in the big old attic of wonders up there. So we'll head up there later. But down here we got some more items going out. We have a Tasco binoculars. This is a zip focus. You know, I've sold quite a few binoculars, and this one went for $28 plus shipping. This little lot had a bunch of accessories and a bag and everything for it. So that went for a decent amount of money. We're gonna find that in bin I.
And
that's right over here, right down the corner. This is a heavy. Okay. Oh, here we go.
Elmer's waiting for a plush to fall on his head.
Exactly.
He's sitting there so patiently.
He sure is.
Uh-huh.
There we go. All right, buddy. Maybe we'll find a plush for you.
This is where plushes come to die at our house.
They do. Oh my gosh, there's stuffing everywhere all the time. So.
The yard.
Okay. Oh my gosh, here's another thing that you brought home, Michelle. It is, you brought home like 20 of these things, and you may have seen a reel of me scraping the tags off really quickly, these holiday lights. Now, if you haven't sourced holiday lights before, you really should start looking into it. At least scan the barcode. You're gonna find that these sell really well. People are decorating their homes all the time. It's the end of the holiday season, so people are taking their decorations down. They're like, oh, we need so many square feet of this exact set to finish lights next year. So I think that's what happened here, right?
Yeah.
We had actually 4 sets of these holiday time 70 count blue LED micro icicle lights here. Now these sold in a lot on discount pricing for $87.96. That's just for 4 of them. Check out how many we have still.
How many do we go? I get a little obsessive when I just get excited. 2, 3, 4. All right, so we still have 6 left, actually. Oh my gosh.
Wow, good deal.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah.
I learned everything from you when it comes to external illumination.
Oh, thank you. We love that movie, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
It's everything.
Oh my gosh, just lovely. All right, so we got 4 of these going out to a lucky new owner. It's going to have a beautiful house next year. Or an extremely lit up room. Who knows? Who knows what they're using it for? Okay. Next going out, we have something that's going to be around a campfire here soon, and that is a vintage Toastite pie and sandwich maker. You know these things, if you ever spent time around a campfire making like little apple pies or something like that. So we're going to find that over here. Ah, there we go. Right here.
Look at that thing. It looks like a bed warmer, kind of.
Oh, yeah, okay. Anyways, so yeah, you open that, put a couple pieces of bread, some apple pie filling, or ham and cheese, whatever. You cook that over the fire, and you got yourself a nice tasting, like, grilled cheese.
Yum!
Basically. Yes, so that went out for $22.99 plus shipping. You'll remember us finding that in this video where, let's see, oh my gosh, we went to a ton of yard sales that day in a really nice little neighborhood, and we found that. So check that video out as well. Now, you're going to find us finding this item in this video where we came across a bunch of gun holsters and gun bags and stuff like that. This one was probably the least valuable of the ones we found. We already made our profit back easily on all those gun holsters. But this one was an Uncle Mike's handgun belt holster, just a really simple one. This one for $15.99 plus shipping, but we'll be able to throw that in like a bubble mailer and it should be fine. Not very heavy, so not so bad there. We have 2 items going out on Mercari. One of them is a lot of 16 replacement Blu-ray discs, or the cases anyway. So, you know, when you get your movie collection and like a case breaks or something, you need a new one to put it in. Also, if you sell a lot of Blu-rays, like I do, or like we do, you might want some replacement cases. You know, you got a $20 Blu-ray with a crack in the case, you want to make it look nice for the customer. That's going to add it to their collection. So you're going to want these laying around as well. We have an abundance of them, so I thought, you know, we'll just sell a few. And these went for $21 for a lot of 16 over on Mercari.
Whoa, wow.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
And also on Mercari is something that's going to be upstairs that we will go ahead and check out. And so let's go over to Poshmark. Poshmark had 3 sales, 3 really good ones actually, including our biggest sale of the weekend. Oh my gosh, we're super grateful. See, this went for $25, and this is a Disney Cars, if you remember that movie. This is a shower curtain set with the matching curtain hooks. So
cute.
Yeah, and I remember finding the shower curtain in one of our most viewed videos on YouTube. It was like over 11,000 views as of right now, which is just monstrous for us. We're so grateful for each and every view. Thank you guys.
Woohoo! Yeah, thank you
for your support and likes and shares. Don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends about our channel. We love
and
you.
Elmer.
And Elmer.
Dog lovers watch too.
Absolutely. Okay, so this is going to be in bin H2, which is right here down at the bottom. And again, that went on for $25 on Poshmark. And just to show you that cross-listing is something that you want to do. This was sitting over on eBay for $19.99 for a very long time. By the SKU, 9 of 22. So a year and like 3 months this was sitting online on eBay. I went ahead and cross-listed it to Mercari and Poshmark, and it sold for even more, $25 on Mercari.
What is it?
This is the shower curtain set.
Oh, that is a shower curtain set.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, honey.
Yeah,
with
absolutely.
the matching hooks?
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
nice.
Yeah. It just goes to show with List Perfectly, it really makes it easy to get your old eBay listings over to Poshmark and Mercari and vice versa. Go ahead and use our link down on the bottom there to get 30% off your first month of cross-listing with List Perfectly. And you're going to be getting some extra sales too.
And it's it actually is inspiring to list more because you cover more area.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, I was having so much fun taking my entire eBay store and merging it with Michelle's Poshmark and our Mercari account. It was just a really good, fun time and with some good sales. We're seeing those sales come in. It's great. One more that went on Poshmark, surprisingly, is a lot of movies, a lot of DVDs. Now, this is from one of my favorite directors and writers, Kevin Smith. If you don't know his movies like Clerks, Jay and Silent Bob Strike Back, Chasing Amy. He's just got that really subversive type of humor that, like if you watched his first movie, you're going to get the joke in his 7th movie. And if you didn't watch that movie, then you're not going to get the joke type of thing. That's my favorite. I love it. That's how our channel is in a way. You got to watch us follow us closely to kind of get everything. So we're gonna go and find those. That's sold for $28 on Poshmark. A lot of 7 movies. So we're gonna find that over here. Here it is. Chasing Amy. What a great movie. Mallrats, if you remember that. Oh my gosh. Just fun stuff. That went for $28 on Poshmark. Selling movies on Poshmark. I love it.
Who would have thunk?
I know, right? Okay, so now we have 3 more items, and those are going to be upstairs, so we are going to follow Michelle up there.
Oh, hey. Hi. Let's see. The Attic of Wonders.
Yes, here we go. Okay, so
Do not look at all of my blankets that I need to list. I had a small problem with hand knit blankets. Don't even look. Just keep going. Just keep going.
Maybe that's a whatnot thing.
You need to work on that one.
Yes.
That pile.
So in bin O, we are going to find a Chico's Floral Paisley Soft Blouse Top. Now that went for $29.99 plus shipping.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what a good deal.
Chico's. I love Chico's. If you get a chance to get anything cute from Chico's, they sell.
Awesome. And then, let's see, on eBay, in the bin Q4, which is right down here, we had sell a pair of leather pants. Catherine Maladrino black leather pants.
Yes. These black leather pants I just found last week. They're so soft. They're like really buttery soft. And I grabbed them, not even knowing like if they were in style, and they sold within about 3 days.
That is so cool. Wow.
Yeah, we couldn't believe it. Look at
could actually. I mean, a nice pair of leather pants.
Yeah, designer.
Yeah, but even still, awesome. So cool. And for our biggest sale of the entire week, we're so grateful. Oh my gosh. And you probably remember Michelle doing a reel on this here. And that is, what is it, honey?
My Dolce & Gabbana dress.
Yes. Oh my gosh. And that thing is hanging up. We kept that hanging up so it would stay nice, just right behind you there. And we made sure to disclose that there's actually the straps were actually missing. There's a piece here.
Little
right
hole, yeah, where almost like a bra tab slips in and you can do it. So those pieces are just missing.
Yeah, and we disclosed that. And it still, did not take very long around New Year's Eve to sell this dress for, how much did that go for, honey?
$220, I think it was.
Wow, fantastic job.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with Dolce & Gabbana. I mean, there's no, they're just classic. And yeah, I was very fortunate to find this. Very fortunate.
Oh my gosh, I know, right? And to be able to sell it for a couple $100 within, just a few days. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and it was funny because we had discussed what we were going to price it at because there are not a lot of these out there right now. And I was thinking I was going to price it a little bit lower. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to go a little higher and wait for 3 days. And I'm so glad that I gave it a couple of days. It was only a couple of days, but still. I guess I got lucky maybe, but yeah.
Awesome. Oh my gosh, we're so fortunate. And we are congratulating you when you go out there and you find a super good deal on everything that you buy and you bring it home, you list it, you get it sold, you get it cross-listed, and oh my gosh, wow. Congratulations, guys. We hope to see you on the next show here.
Thanks for spending time with us, guys.
Absolutely.
See you soon.
Hats off to you.